Some cars arrive like thunder. Some arrive like legends. And then there's the Mercedes R129 SL, a car so advanced, so overbuilt, so beautifully engineered that it felt like the future had arrived early. It had pop-out roll bars, hidden computers, hydraulic everything, and safety systems nobody had even imagined yet. For a moment, it looked like Mercedes had built a perfect machine. Until the truth surfaced, a truth that would haunt the SL for decades. The R129 didn't just roll into the 90s. It crashed through the door like a German supermodel wearing armor. Mercedes spent 8 years developing it. They threw in aircraft-grade electronics. They tested the chassis with crash simulations no other automaker dared to try. When it launched in 1989, the world had never seen anything like it. Long hood, square stance, muscular shoulders. It looked elegant from the front, dangerous from the back, and indestructible from every angle. But underneath, it was a technological monster. This thing came loaded with systems that made enthusiasts whisper, "Is this really from 1989? Electronic stability before stability control was a thing. Adaptive damping suspension, fully automatic roll bar, multi-piston brakes, reinforced chassis with computer stress analysis. And then, the hydraulics. The roof system, a ballet of pumps, lines, and pressure sensors, moved with robotic precision. Press a button and the SL transformed itself, clean and smooth, like a luxury transformer. People thought this tech would last forever, but they didn't know what was coming. The R129 didn't just rely on tech. It came with an engine lineup that slapped the era across the face. SL 300, a smooth, straight six. SL 500, the fan favorite with a torque-rich 5.0-liter V8. SL 600, a V12 limousine engine stuffed into a two-door. AMG models, the truly unhinged ones. But the king? The SL 73 AMG, the monster with a 7.3-liter V12, the same heart that later powered the Pagani Zonda. Think about that. A luxury cruiser with a supercar engine before supercars even caught up. Fast? Brutal. 0 to 60 in the low fives. But the power delivery made it feel like the horizon was being pulled toward you. The R129 should have been unstoppable, but every king has a weakness. At first, the complaints were quiet, random, easy to ignore. A soft top that moved slowly, hydraulic fluid on the ground, a headrest that didn't pop up properly. Then the truth hit. The hydraulic system was a ticking time bomb. Inside the SL were dozens of hydraulic cylinders, hidden deep in the structure, many buried where no human hand could comfortably reach. Over time, the seals inside those cylinders started cracking, some at 20 years, some sooner, all eventually. And when they failed, the roof stopped working, the roll bar malfunctioned, the seats refused to move, hydraulic oil leaked everywhere like the car was bleeding. Replacing them wasn't a one-hour job. In the worst cases, the entire interior had to come out. People weren't ready for the repair bills. The SL was so over-engineered, so stuffed with futuristic systems, that when something broke, it didn't break. It collapsed in slow motion, taking other components down with it. Owners discovered cylinders hidden behind panels, lines snaking through the frame, sensors linked to other sensors, hydraulic pumps buried behind trim. Mercedes had built a masterpiece, but maintenance felt like performing heart surgery with oven mitts on. And the costs? Some replaced all 12 to 15 cylinders at once, a bill that made even wealthy owners sweat. Suddenly, the future didn't look so perfect. The R129 wasn't light. It wasn't cheap. It wasn't simple. It was Mercedes at their most ambitious. And ambition comes with weight. Almost 2 tons of lines, computers, pumps, metal, and magic. But here's the thing. That weight gave it presence. It absorbed bumps like it was floating. It cornered with confidence you didn't expect from a big convertible. And at high speed, it felt locked to the earth. Even today, it drives with a solidity modern luxury cars don't have. But the repairs, the hydraulics, the hidden weaknesses, they followed the SL like a shadow. Something unexpected happened over the last decade. The R129 didn't fade away. It didn't vanish into scrapyards. It didn't get laughed at for its flaws. Instead, it became a collector's gem. People realized the truth. Yes, the SL had a dark secret. Yes, it was expensive to fix, but once fixed, once refreshed, the R129 became bulletproof again. Enthusiasts started rebuilding hydraulic systems properly. Specialists emerged. Parts became easier to source. Communities formed around DIY repairs. Today, the R129 is rising in value. Clean ones are climbing fast. SL600s and AMG models are becoming investments. And the SL73? Don't even ask. Prices are going insane. The future finally caught up, and the R129 looks right at home in it. The R129 SL didn't just define a decade. It defined what Mercedes could be when they didn't care about budgets, trends, or limits. It proved that futuristic engineering always comes with a price, but it also proved that greatness lasts. And when you see one today, roof down, V8 rumbling, hydraulic roll bar standing guard, you're not looking at a broken dream. You're looking at a survivor, a machine that aimed at the future, crashed into it, and still came out legendary.